The first page you arrive at is a list of groups. The list may vary based on the list view that is selected, which is controlled in the top left under the navigation bar. You can choose to see active groups, my groups, or recently viewed groups. To access a community group, simply click the name of that group. A community group contains several components. In the top left, the group's name and your notification preferences are displayed. Here you can select how often you wish to receive email notifications regarding this group. Under this section is the group's feed. Here is where members can post, ask questions, or take polls. When posting, you can also mention other users. To do so, type the @ sign and then the name of the user being mentioned and press tab. This should automatically enclose the name in brackets and highlight their name. In the top right, you will see group details and a description of the group. Below this section is the group's members. You can click the View All link to see who is all in the group. To send a private message to a group member, you must go to the other user's profile and click the message button. Finally, the last section is the Files section, which displays the group's files. You can add a file by clicking the drop-down arrow in the upper right-hand corner or by clicking the View All link. This also allows you to view all of the files within the group. The user drop-down menu is located in the top right header of every page. This allows you to quickly navigate communities. My Groups takes you back to your list of active groups. My Messages displays the private conversations you are involved in. The My Files tab allows you to quickly view relevant files. Here you can select to view files that are owned by you, files that are shared with you, or recent files that you have previously accessed. My Account navigates you back to the member portal. And then My Settings allows you to control whether you receive notifications and how often. If you decide to receive email notifications, you can select which types and actions will trigger an email notification.